Namaste, myself Dr. K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss about our next topic, that principle of the educational finance. All allocation of fund to education should be determined by the educational budget, and priorities to various sectors should be made within the sphere of education itself. Second point, improvement of education should be made within the financial and human resources available in the country. Through careful analysis, trends in the economy, allocation should be made to important educational sectors in accordance with the projected manpower requirements, as a result of which maximum return will be ensured and the wastage of human and physical resources of the country will be eliminated. Understand? कि all allocation of the fund to education should be determined by educational budget, and priority to various sectors should be made within the sphere of education. Improvement of the education should be made within the financial and human resource available in the country. Okay. Careful analysis, trend in economy, allocation should be made to important educational sector in accordance with the projected manpower requirements, as a result of which maximum returns will be ensured and the wastage of human and physical resources of the country will be eliminated. Education cannot be purchased like a commodity according to the desire of the individual who can pay the full cost. Attempts should be made to provide education free or at a much lower cost than the real one, to help the young and immature member of the society to dwell. Education should be duly financed to provide equality of opportunity for the development of the individuals. It can develop their capacity and talents, and leader can spring up from all rank and condition of life. Men and women can develop intellectual initiative, judicious invention, foresight of consequences, ingenuity of adoption, and capacity for making moral choice. For demoralization of the educational opportunity in our country, a large number of scholarship, stipend, and free studentship should be given to the students. Special grant for physical activities, libraries, and reading rooms, expenses on simple special programs like midday meal, etc., should be given. The allocation of fund to education purely from the economic point of view should be decided by the future needs of skilled manpower in various sectors of national life. Craft in our school be taught with zeal to produce commodities of higher quality and marketability. Cottage industry be introduced in our school. This will certainly help in recovering some expenditure on education. Attempts should be made to reduce the cost of equipment by improvisation, etc. Teacher should be given incentive to do so. As the Kothari Commission desire that utmost economy should be used in the construction of school building, it should be constructed at war footing that will enhance the prestige of education. So, this is all about the principle of educational finance. Hope you understand the topic. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University Jaipur. Thank you. Thank you very much.